You've got to hear this if you've ever wondered about life beyond Earth. Here's the scoop. NASA's launching a brand new space telescope in 2027. This isn't just any telescope, it's a game-changer designed to hunt for alien planets. The primary mission? To search for exoplanets, that's planets orbiting stars beyond our solar system. Imagine, thousands of new worlds waiting to be discovered. But it doesn't stop there. This telescope will also look for signs of life. We're talking about examining the atmospheres of these distant planets for biosignatures, clues that could tell us if we're not alone in the universe. The technology? Cutting edge. It'll have advanced sensors and instruments that can detect the faintest of signals from light years away. Think of it as a cosmic detective, uncovering secrets hidden in the starlight. So why should you care? Well, discovering new planets and potential life forms not only satisfies our curiosity, but also answers some of humanity's biggest questions. Are we alone? What's out there? In just a few years, this mission will launch, and the universe might never look the same again. So, stay tuned and keep your eyes on the stars, because the next big discovery, it could be just around the corner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on NASA's incredible journey.